in to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video today. And family, the Precious family, you know that you are always welcome. And if this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. You can become a part of the Precious family as well. So once you finish this video, if you like what you see, if you love these type of videos, go ahead on and click that subscribe button and you will become a part of the Precious family. So guys, I'm just going to be doing this little area here. This is my microwave. I'm just going to put something on it and I'm going to be doing the cart as well. So I'm going to start off first by just cleaning it. We're going to clean the microwave, then we're going to do the cart, and we're going to get started decorating. So let's go. So I'm just going to be cleaning the microwave, and this is just, guys, it's just detergent and water. So mild detergent and water. So it's nothing special about this cleaning solution here. So let's go down to the cart. And I just cleaned this area yesterday, so it does not need much cleaning. I don't think it got that much dirty since yesterday, so. But I do just want to wipe this down. Now we are down to the bottom layer, or the bottom shelf. And guys, this is like a bar cart, but I'm using it for a microwave, but I will be using it for a bar cart later. Okay, let's dry her off, okay? So she won't be damp when I get ready to clean her. I'm just gonna wipe everything down, dry it down, so it won't be damp when I get ready to decorate it. And this is just a this is just a dry cloth, which I'm just drying it off. Okay, so let's start off with this vase here. I'm just gonna set the vase right there. Okay, I'm going to come in with a few of the branches of poinsettias, pine cone, and just a little shimmery in the middle. And this is like 5 bunches that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I just put them all together in a little bundle like so. And so I'm just going to hold them together and just drop them in this vase here. And I'm going to come in with this gold nice vase. Isn't she beautiful? And I'm just going to put her right beside that vase there, but I'm not going to put anything in it. And I'm going to put this gold candle stick right there. And instead of me putting a candle in it, I'm just going to, I just cropped off this little poinsettias. And you know, guys, I'm good about doing that. So I'm just going to lay that, put that right there. And I cropped off some more poinsettias. And I'm just going to just lay those up against the vase like so. Okay, and so this is all that I'm going to do to this area right here. Okay, so let's go down to the bottom level. I'm just going to do a crisscross here with these 2 branches. And I'm going to come in with these little gorgeous doves, little birds here. I'm going to put this one on that side. And I'm going to put the other dove on this side. And I'm just going to build a little bird nest here. So this would be the little bird nest for my birds. Okay, so I got the female bird and the male bird. So this is their nest. So this is their home for Christmas. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys around. Just pan around. Okay, so here's the finished result. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in to this video and hanging out with me while I clean this area. And I'm wishing you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And this is Mary Precious signing off. I will see you in my next video. I will see you in the future. And your future looks good on you. Bye-bye.